His ability to adapt to new situations is remarkable. His ability to adapt to new situations is remarkable. The abortion debate remains a contentious issue. The abortion debate remains a contentious issue. Let's talk about your plans for the weekend. Let's talk about your plans for the weekend. The painting hung above the fireplace. The painting hung above the fireplace. She went abroad to explore different cultures. She went abroad to explore different cultures. His absence was felt at the family gathering. His absence was felt at the family gathering. The concept of absolute truth is often debated. The concept of absolute truth is often debated. I absolutely love this new recipe. I absolutely love this new recipe. Plants absorb sunlight during photosynthesis. Plants absorb sunlight during photosynthesis. The campaign aims to raise awareness about domestic abuse. The campaign aims to raise awareness about domestic abuse. She has a strong academic background. She has a strong academic background. I accept your apology wholeheartedly. I accept your apology wholeheartedly. The new software allows easy access to data. The new software allows easy access to data. The car accident caused a traffic jam. The car accident caused a traffic jam. I will accompany you to the event. I will accompany you to the event. It's a great accomplishment to finish the marathon. It's a great accomplishment to finish the marathon. According to the latest research, exercise is crucial for health. According to the latest research, exercise is crucial for health. I need to check my bank account balance. I need to check my bank account balance. His accurate predictions surprised everyone. His accurate predictions surprised everyone. Do not accuse him without proper evidence. Do not accuse him without proper evidence. She worked hard to achieve her goals. She worked hard to achieve her goals. Winning the championship was a significant achievement. Winning the championship was a significant achievement. The scientist tested the acidity of the solution. The scientist tested the acidity of the solution. It's essential to acknowledge your mistakes. It's essential to acknowledge your mistakes. He managed to acquire valuable skills. He managed to acquire valuable skills. The news spread quickly across the city and across social media. The news spread quickly across the city and across social media. The play is an action-packed thriller. The play is an action-packed thriller. Staying active is important for a healthy lifestyle. Staying active is important for a healthy lifestyle. The activist passionately spoke about climate change. The activist passionately spoke about climate change. The outdoor activity was a fun way to bond. The outdoor activity was a fun way to bond. The actor received a standing ovation for his performance. The actor received a standing ovation for his performance. The actress played the role with great emotion. The actress played the role with great emotion. The actual cost was higher than expected. The actual cost was higher than expected. He actually completed the project ahead of schedule. He actually completed the project ahead of schedule. The ad campaign was a huge success. The ad campaign was a huge success. The ability to adapt to new challenges is crucial. The ability to adapt to new challenges is crucial. Add more salt to enhance the flavor. Add more salt to enhance the flavor. In addition to his job, he has a side business. In addition to his job, he has a side business. The additional information clarified the situation. The additional information clarified the situation. The address of the new office is still unknown. The address of the new office is still unknown. Adequate preparation is key to success. Adequate preparation is key to success. Adjust the settings to fit your preferences. Adjust the settings to fit your preferences. The adjustment in the schedule pleased everyone. The adjustment in the schedule pleased everyone. The administration is working on new policies. The administration is working on new policies. The administrator oversees daily operations. The administrator oversees daily operations. I admire your dedication to the cause. I admire your dedication to the cause. Admission to the concert is free. Admission to the concert is free. The students were excited to admit their mistakes. The students were excited to admit their mistakes. The adolescent years are a time of growth and change. The adolescent years are a time of growth and change. Many families choose to adopt children. Many families choose to adopt children. Adult learners often face unique challenges. Adult learners often face unique challenges. Advance planning is essential for a successful event. Advance planning is essential for a successful event. The advanced technology revolutionized the industry. The advanced technology revolutionized the industry. Having a positive attitude is an advantage. Having a positive attitude is an advantage. The adventure novel kept me on the edge of my seat. The adventure novel kept me on the edge of my seat. Creative advertising is essential for brand success. Creative advertising is essential for brand success. He gave me valuable advice for my career. He gave me valuable advice for my career. I advise you to reconsider your decision. I advise you to reconsider your decision. The advisor provided guidance on investment strategies. The advisor provided guidance on investment strategies. The environmentalist is a strong advocate for sustainable living. The environmentalist is a strong advocate for sustainable living. The affair had a significant impact on their relationship. The affair had a significant impact on their relationship. Kindness can affect positive change in the world. Kindness can affect positive change in the world. Living within your means is a key financial principle. Living within your means is a key financial principle. I am afraid of heights. I am afraid of heights. African art is known for its vibrant colors and symbolism. African art is known for its vibrant colors and symbolism. African American history is an integral part of American history. African American history is an integral part of American history. Let's discuss the matter further later in the afternoon. Let's discuss the matter further later in the afternoon. Let's meet for coffee at the cafe above the bookstore. Let's meet for coffee at the cafe above the bookstore. Studying abroad broadens one's perspective. Studying abroad broadens one's perspective. His absence was noted in the team meeting. His absence was noted in the team meeting. The concept of absolute truth is deeply philosophical. The concept of absolute truth is deeply philosophical. I absolutely adore the new fashion trend. I absolutely adore the new fashion trend. Plants absorb nutrients from the soil. Plants absorb nutrients from the soil. Raising awareness about child abuse is crucial. Raising awareness about child abuse is crucial. She has an outstanding academic record. She has an outstanding academic record. I accept the terms and conditions of the agreement. I accept the terms and conditions of the agreement. Easy access to information is a key feature of the app. Easy access to information is a key feature of the app. The car accident caused a minor fender bender. The car accident caused a minor fender bender. I'll accompany you to the airport for your trip. I'll accompany you to the airport for your trip. Accomplishing your goals requires dedication and hard work. Accomplishing your goals requires dedication and hard work. According to the weather forecast, rain is expected tomorrow. According to the weather forecast, rain is expected tomorrow. I'll check my bank account statement for any discrepancies. I'll check my bank account statement for any discrepancies. His accurate assessment of the situation impressed everyone. His accurate assessment of the situation impressed everyone. Do not accuse someone without sufficient evidence. Do not accuse someone without sufficient evidence. Achieving work-life balance is a common goal. Achieving work-life balance is a common goal. Winning the Nobel Prize is a remarkable achievement. Winning the Nobel Prize is a remarkable achievement. The acidity of the solution was measured using a pH scale. The acidity of the solution was measured using a pH scale. Acknowledging your mistakes is a sign of maturity. Acknowledging your mistakes is a sign of maturity. Acquiring new skills is essential for personal development. Acquiring new skills is essential for personal development. Across the globe, people are working towards a common goal. Across the globe, people are working towards a common goal. Taking action is the first step towards success. Taking action is the first step towards success. Staying active and fit is crucial for overall well-being. Staying active and fit is crucial for overall well-being. The activist passionately advocated for human rights. The activist passionately advocated for human rights. Outdoor activities like hiking and biking are great for fitness. Outdoor activities like hiking and biking are great for fitness. The actor received critical acclaim for his brilliant performance. The actor received critical acclaim for his brilliant performance. The actress portrayed the character with great emotion. The actress portrayed the character with great emotion. The actual cost of the project exceeded the budget. The actual cost of the project exceeded the budget. He actually completed the project ahead of the deadline. He actually completed the project ahead of the deadline. The ad campaign effectively reached the target audience. The ad campaign effectively reached the target audience. Adapting to change is a key skill in today's dynamic world. Adapting to change is a key skill in today's dynamic world.